Hey, good morning. This is Chris Robinson, Robinson Ag Marketing, with today's pre-opening grain and livestock comments. I wanted to, talk real quick. Tomorrow we should probably get the final updated versions of where we are with the managed money. Why does the managed money matter? It just does. Okay, we don't have a fundamental story out there. Money flow matters, and I'll just say this, put it out there. If you don't agree with me, you don't have to send me an email telling me you don't agree with me. It's okay. It's a free country. You can follow what you want to follow. I'll follow what I follow. I've been doing this for 3 decades. I do think it matters. Is it perfect? No, there's nothing perfect. So please, just put that out there. Right now, I'd say the funds or the best guess from, if you do your research, the best guess is they're short 65,000 wheat. They're short about 50,000 corn. They're long about 140,000 beans. They're long about 10,000 meal, and they're short a boatload of bean oil, around 38,000. So that's where they're at. That's where we think we're at. We'll get the updated certified numbers tomorrow. But I just wanted to lead off with that. There's not a lot going on during this holiday week. A lot of people aren't even trading. We're going to continue to see choppy two-sided trade. March corn had a penny range last night. It's trading at 442. I think you got to watch the 200-day at 446. March beans, a 4 cent range overnight, very very quiet, trading up 3 3/4 cent at 67 and a quarter. March wheat basically unchanged, with a 3 cent range. We're up a penny and a half at 514 and a half. Kansas City March, 4 cent range, basically up a 1/4 cent. So not a lot going on overnight. Don't want to beat a dead horse to death. We do have a bounce back in silver. For those of you guys that are looking for the market that's moving, silver had about a $10 trading range yesterday, 82. And now we've dipped all the way down to 70. Now we didn't take out 70. 70.67 was the low. So it looks to me like a lot of people are out there, you know, betting or believing that $70 is going to hold. Great. If it doesn't hold, what's your plan, right? So right now we're at 75.64. Uh, the U.S. dollar is just kind of sitting here at this 97 cent, 98 level. I continue to watch that. That's part of the reason all this stuff has been moving. Silver fell to the lowest price since October. So a 2 month low. But the number everybody's really watching is the September low. If we get below 95 cents, that's going to be something that's going to be in the newspapers, right? 95.84. That's the lowest price we've had since 2022. So is the dollar going to make another 4 year low? Uh, I don't know. If it does, it should impact, or it could impact, commodity prices. Finishing up with the outlook for the protein complex. Again, it's all about, can we fill those gaps? Fed fat cattle, there's a gap there. If you want to know the specific level, get my letter, robinsonagmarketing.com. I'm looking at it right now, real quick. That level, that gap gets filled at fed fat cattle's 33.425. I don't know if we can get there or not. March feeders, everybody's been watching the same thing. We almost filled it yesterday. That gap gets filled at 45.05. Yesterday's high was 44.12. So it's trying to fill that gap. It's probably we're going to be looking at for the next week or so. Do we fill the gap, or if we can't, what happens? Do we roll back over? Um, April lean hogs, dance around this 90 cent level. Also key resistance up there. The highest prices we've had since October again. So a 2 month high. Take advantage of it. If you're working with me, you'll know what I'm talking about. We don't want to call tops. We don't want to call bottoms. We want to try and manage your risk on the assets that you own. Have a good rest of the day. This is Chris Robinson, 312 638 8868. Have a great day.